getting some work done on my laptop. I really want to book like a trip for my birthday. I don't really care to like celebrate it big. I don't know why, but I just don't care. And like, I'm really not the type that has like a shit ton of friends and I can like invite to like a party, and I don't really like that anyways. So I really just want to like take a few days to just disconnect and like tan, just be in the sun, relax. But yeah, I mean, let me know in the comments. By the time this goes up, I probably haven't booked my trip yet, so let me know in the comments what you think. Also, I got a cold sore, so I have this little sticker on it if you noticed it. I've just had a few packages delivered, so I was like, let me unbox it on camera because I haven't done that in a while. Well, this is from yesterday. LA's sister sent me 2 tracksuits. One is like bright orange. I'll put a picture on the screen. I wore the zip up yesterday. Very cute. Let me show you. Has like smiley faces on it. Rhinestones, sparkly. I just ordered some random stuff and also some baking stuff. I think I said this earlier. No, I didn't. Did I? I don't know who I told this. Maybe I told my mom. I want to bake. The thing just got delivered, so I'll show you. I was gonna get a Smeg one, but then I was like, it's unnecessary for me to get one that's so expensive. I might not even use it that much, so. Oh, this is food for my boy. Woo. Got him some of this. This is to mix with his food. So we're gonna try this tonight. It's for puppies. I like mixing it with his dry food. I feel like that works really good for him. Let's see. I'll do the big one last. Okay, I got this water bottle. I feel like I get a new water bottle like every 6 months or something because I'm trying to find a way to motivate myself to drink water. It's been so bad. Like, I just can't seem to get myself to drink water. And I really need to. Like, it's really an issue. So I got this one, which has, like, the times on it. And let's see. What's this? I don't know. How does this work? Oh, right. You open it like that. Drinky, close it, and then this I guess is nice to hold on to, or this one. And yeah, I think this will be a nice one for the gym as well. I've just not been going. It's still a work in progress. I feel like I've just been struggling a lot with my mental health and finding a way to cope with shit, you know. Go to therapy now, which has been really good for me, but also like it's a lot of internal work and just takes time. But I've noticed that like my hormones have a huge effect on how I feel as well. Like, some days in my cycle, like I just get so depressed. It's really, really annoying. And then after that, I feel good again. But I got this to decorate cupcakes. And I'm only sharing this not to like have you guys feel bad for me, but more so just to let you know that, you know, we're all going through it and you're not alone. We're all fucking struggling, and you know, not every day is gonna be perfect. I've really been trying to just live by the day. That makes me feel less like guilty or bad about myself if I'm having a bad day or a non-productive day. It's always a surprise like what I'm getting in what box. I got this little ice cream maker. I thought this was really cute, and I liked it because you can like close it off. And it also is just cute. So it's like silicone little thingies, and you pop them in like this. All right, so you make like whatever type of ice cream. Pop them in like that, and then you can take them out, and then your ice cream will be on there in like the shape of this. Isn't that so fucking? Oh, it's magnetic too, or maybe not. No, it's not. Okay. So cute. Like, look at this packaging. I don't know why, I just think that is so cute. Shows you how to use it. Mixing bowls, and it's like 4 sizes. I wanted to get some. That is huge, man. I honestly am really bad at like knowing what size product I'm getting when I'm ordering something. I have no conception of size, even if it says it on there. It has multiple things you can put in it, which is why I think this one was great, because I used to have a mixer. I used to have like this like citrus press thing. I don't know what you got. But they broke on me, so now I haven't had any of it. But you can pop this one in to like get like orange juice or like a lemon. All can go in the dishwasher, which I'm a huge fan of. It also has some kind of like food processor thing. It has a little mixer. There. Look at it. Isn't that so pretty? And then obviously you can take this thing out and then exchange it. Let's see. No idea what that does. Oh! Oh my god, this is fun. Okay, wait. Sorry if it's a bit dark. I can't figure out. Oh, there we go. Okay. So then obviously it comes with, oh yeah, it's like a food grinder, that one thing. Like a food processor. It comes with these plates. I'm gonna have to figure out how that works, but I'm excited for that. It might make cooking even easier for me. And then obviously also having this little bag with it is great. This is not sponsored. I'm just very impressed. And then it comes with these. Ooh, that obviously go in here when you're... Okay, I'm actually going to bake tonight. I'm kind of excited for that. Very cool. How do I take this out? There we go. See, that was just so natural. I actually still have clean dishes in the dishwasher right now, so I'm going to take those out, pop all of this in there so that I can use it, and then I'm going to head to the studio. Groceries. Most of it is for the cupcakes I'm making. So I got some vanilla Greek yogurt, some more strawberries for my breakfast, some lemons, which I'm just gonna pop in the fridge. Got a small thing of whole milk, and then I got some cream. I'm not gonna make them yet. I'm actually gonna go make myself some food, some lunch. It's 3:45. It's a bit of a late lunch, that's okay. Later today, I'm gonna, probably more so towards the evening, I'm gonna bake. I also got myself some Fanta. Because it's the weekend and I need to stock up. But I don't want to get too much because I am leaving on Thursday. I'm gonna go throw some food together. And then I'm gonna roll a joint, chill with Blue for a little bit. And then I'll do something else, I don't know. So I've spent most of my day cleaning around the apartment, some cozy time with Lou, watched some Love Island, and I just went on a walk with my mom. Now gonna have my breakfast again because I feel like eating it. Sometimes I have it twice a day. Also, I broke this thing recently. So sad. And I'm now just gonna eat something and chill for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go on a walk with Louis. He's taking a nap right now. I'm literally so excited to go to Wireless. I think it's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna see Nikki again. I haven't seen her live since I think 2017. And I'm gonna see Janae Aiko live for the first time. And oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna be sober for the weekend as well, which will be interesting. Or well, actually I'm gonna be sober for like 5 days. So that's gonna be interesting. And then when I get back, I'm gonna try to find my motivation again to go back to the gym and stuff, because I just keep going up and down like that. Just get my shit together again and realize who the fuck I am. No, honestly, mental health is such a struggle. And like, it doesn't matter what you have or what you do. Like, if your mental health is fucked up, you can have everything you want and still feel like you have nothing. It's super draining. I'm very grateful that I get to actually go through my struggles while still being able to have a roof over my head and like feel safe and like not have to worry about like money and stuff, because that used to be my struggle growing up. What does it say? Like, money doesn't bring happiness. To a certain extent, it definitely does, because if you don't have to worry about money, that takes away so many problems in life. But in the end, you can have all the money you want, but if you're still fucked up in the head or you deal with trauma, then you're not going to feel any better. Cheers to that.